checked into today's guest house. It's pretty big actually for one person. Just like yesterday, I will sleep on a traditional Japanese mattress. Here is the living room. This is the main entrance to the reception. I will use these slippers. For the inside of the house, I use these slippers. Big kitchen here. You have all the tools, the dishes place, cups, bowls, etc. Fridge, I think there's only water. There are beers or other drinks in the reception areas. We have a television room here. And there is free Wi-Fi. There's a nice spot here for reading my book. This way goes to the shower and toilet. Shower is here, I think. Old style Japanese bath. It's not a hot spring. This house is more than 100 years old. The toilet is here. As usual, there is Japanese technology here. All the comfort is provided. Now I'm gonna get out for catching the sunset view.